Hi, welcome to FilesDNA tutorial. In this video, I will show you how to fill in your profile and create your signature. First, take your cursor to the top right and click on My Profile. Once you do that, you will see a drop-down menu. Select Account Settings. Now please fill in your contact details and press Submit. You have completed the first step. Please go ahead and click on Signatures. Here you can create your first signature. Simply click on Create Signature and type in your full name and initials. You can also add few optional add-ons such as date and time, reason and signed by. These features can be effective in making your signatures unique and personalized. The system will automatically generate few examples you can choose from. You can also draw your own signature. Or upload an existing one. If you are happy with your signature, simply click Create. Well done! You have created your first signature. I hope you enjoyed the tutorial. See you next time.